Hey, so I'm going to assume if you have clicked on this video that you're wondering who I am and why we should be connected. Well, hey, I'm Justin Brewer, and I'm just an average guy, just like you. I do real estate, but I'm a full-time entrepreneur, so I have multiple businesses. I invest. I want to have money coming in without me having to do tons of work to it. So I like to call it mailbox money, sleeping and wake up money, whatever you really like to call it. The fact of the matter is people like you, people like me, we don't want to grind forever. And I don't know about you, but I don't care what business you're in, whether you're in my business, whether it's real estate, whether it's something else, whether you work for someone, you don't want to be working for the rest of your life. And believe you me, I know that you can be fired. It's happened to me twice in my lifetime. Not for anything that I did wrong, but just the company had to downsize, they had to change economy, whatever it may be. I lost out. And that's not a good place to be. You don't want to be in a position where you can't take care of your family. You're worried about making sure the bills are taken care of. Food is on the table. I don't like to have to make those choices for myself, for my family, or anyone else. And I wouldn't want that for you. So if you're looking for a change, you're looking for some extra income, I'm not going to sit here and promise you that you're going to make thousands of dollars. I'm not going to tell you that. That's totally up to you. Do I know that it's possible? 100%. But the reality is wouldn't you be happy if you just made extra $500 per month and you didn't have to work more than 30 minutes a day on it? So if you could put 30 minutes of time into your business Monday through Friday, not even every single day, you could earn an extra 500, maybe an extra 1,000, hell, maybe even extra 5 grand. I mean, the possibilities there. What would an extra 15 or 20 grand in a year do for you? Would that take care of some debt? Would that allow you to take vacation that you wouldn't have had otherwise? Maybe that's going to allow you to put a little away for retirement. Maybe you got a kid who has some health issues and you want to be able to take care of them and not worry about it. I don't know. The fact is we all have different situations and we all have different problems, but there are some simple solutions. Affiliate marketing is one of those. And if you could partner up with someone who's already got a proven system, who already has done all the work on the front end for you, and you can just piggyback off of them, why the hell not? Why the hell not? Let's be real. So I hope you take a chance on it. I hope that you connect on here, reach out to me, email me, text me. I'd love to talk to you more about it. But dive in. $7 can change your life. Jump in here, spend the money. You want extra coaching, you want extra mentorship, it's there for you. It's up for grabs. Take on the opportunities and see where it'll lead you. It's 100% up to you. God bless.